What's going on, guys? It's Ryan with Anything RC, and today I have something special in the shop. We just got it in. This is the limited edition OUTCAST. It's the 6S 10th year anniversary limited edition vehicle. It should have a custom bottom chassis plate. All of the shocks should be not red, they should just be left unstained. Same thing with the center chassis brace, and it should have a really cool red camo 10th year anniversary body on it. Right, besides that, it's going to be the same OUTCAST as always, but they only made 500 of these. And before I start this unboxing, I wanted to give a special shout out to JT. He gave us a shout out on our video, and we got a couple subscribers from it, and we're really stoked about that. I've been checking out his channel. He's always got the newest and latest and greatest when it comes to ARRMA products, or a lot of other products for that matter. Some of the new stuff I find out from him that is dropping. So go ahead and check his channel out. There'll be a link in the description below. And also we have our new website open, anythingrc.net, and there'll be a link in the description below as well. So if you guys need anything RC, you can maybe check us out first. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's get to the good part. Let's unbox this, see what's inside. There's that 10th year anniversary body. It looks awesome. I think it looks better than it does in the videos that I've seen. You get your normal bag of goodies, some extra body post, standard wrench for everything, couple Allens, and now the truck. Now, I learned this off of another site. Forget who it was, but I think that if we put this box back on like this, you flip it over, and then you open the box from the back side, then you can see that bottom chassis plate. Alright. There's the truck. So you see all the aluminum is all left unstained. And then it's got the bottom chassis brace. So that's it. It looks really awesome. It's cool that they made a 10th year anniversary car and made it only available to the shops, not online. Check out our website and check out JT. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget, hit that bell.